Generally speaking, prostitution is defined as a person asking for or attempting to give financial gain or some other goods in exchange for a sexual act. Depending on what section of the prostitution statute a person is charged with, the state would have to prove different things. If a person was charged with the solicitation aspect of a prostitution case, the state would need to prove that an individual attempted to solicit their services or offer their services in exchange for money. Again, those services are usually sexual in nature and are exchanged for money or some other financial gain. Money, goods, jewelry, something else that would be offered to them as a form of payment for the services that they were offering. In an assignation case, the state would need to demonstrate that the person that was charged with assignation under the prostitution statute agreed to meet up with somebody who was offering prostitution services and agreed to offer them money or some other kinds of financial services or goods in exchange for accepting that service that they had offered to that individual charged with assignation. Prostitution charges, even though they are misdemeanors and even though they do not carry a significant amount of jail time, actually can have an impact on a person that is far more serious than other misdemeanor offenses. For example, a possession of marijuana charge or a driving under the influence charge carry essentially the same penalty that a prostitution charge does. However, possession of marijuana charges and driving under the influence charges are misdemeanors that are not considered crimes of moral turpitude. A prostitution charge is considered a crime of moral turpitude, which could have an impact on somebody's employment, immigration status, and many other facets of their personal life. Criminal charges are serious. They carry the possibility of fines, but also significant periods of executed incarceration. A criminal attorney can help you identify legal issues that are important in formulating a defense on your behalf. These issues are things that a layperson might not be able to identify, and things that only experience and significant training can help an attorney develop to present the best defense on your behalf.